Yo, what's up everyone? It's Ilek, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of cloud computing, specifically how to become an Azure cloud engineer. We're talking about one of the most in-demand, future-proof career paths in tech right now. Whether you're completely new to the cloud or you've already dipped your toes in, this video is your ultimate guide. We'll break down everything you need to know, from the essential skills and certifications to the different roles you can land and the incredible job opportunities out there. So, if you're ready to level up your tech game and explore the exciting world of Azure, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get started. All right, let's break down the steps to becoming an Azure cloud engineer. First things first, education. Now, you don't necessarily need a fancy computer science degree, but a strong foundation in IT fundamentals is key. Think networking, operating systems, and maybe a little coding experience. That never hurts. Next up, certifications. These are like badges of honor in the cloud world, proving you've got the skills to pay the bills. Microsoft offers a bunch of Azure certifications from fundamentals to associate and expert levels. We'll link some popular ones down below, but here's the thing. Certifications alone won't cut it. You need hands-on experience. Spin up some virtual machines on Azure, build a website, experiment with different services, basically get your hands dirty and build something real. Okay, you've got the steps down. Now let's map out your learning journey. For beginners, Microsoft Learn is your best friend. Think of it like a free online school packed with Azure courses, tutorials, and even hands-on labs. They've got learning paths tailored for different roles, so you can focus on exactly what you need. Once you've got the basics, it's time to level up. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Pluralsight offer more advanced Azure courses, often taught by industry experts. And don't sleep on the official Microsoft documentation. It might seem dense, but it's a goldmine of information. Finally, join the Azure community. Follow Azure blogs, listen to podcasts, and connect with other learners on forums and social media. Trust me, the support and insights you'll gain are invaluable. Now, let's talk about the different hats you can wear as an Azure cloud engineer. First up, the cloud architect. These are the masterminds behind cloud solutions, designing and planning complex infrastructures. Think of them as the architects of the cloud world. Then we have the cloud developer. They're the coding wizards who build and deploy applications on Azure. We're talking web apps, mobile apps, you name it. If it runs on the cloud, they're the ones making it happen. And last but not least, the cloud administrator. These are the guardians of the cloud, managing and maintaining Azure environments to ensure everything runs smoothly. They're the ones keeping the lights on, so to speak. Let's be real, one of the biggest reasons you're watching this video is probably the job opportunities, right? Well, I'm here to tell you the demand for Azure cloud engineers is through the roof. Companies of all sizes, from startups to Fortune 500s, are migrating to the cloud, and they need skilled professionals to lead the way. We're talking about roles like Cloud Solutions Architect, Azure DevOps Engineer, Cloud Security Engineer, and so much more. And the best part, the salary expectations are pretty sweet. According to Glassdoor, the average base pay for an Azure cloud engineer in the US is well over 6 figures. So where do you find these jobs? Well, platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Dice are great places to start. Plus, don't underestimate the power of networking. Attend industry events, connect with people on LinkedIn, and put yourself out there. All right, you're almost ready to conquer the cloud, but here are a few bonus tips to help you stay ahead of the game. First and foremost, never stop learning. The cloud world moves fast, so make it a habit to stay updated on the latest Azure services, features, and best practices. Second, build a strong online presence. Create a LinkedIn profile that screams cloud expert, showcase your projects on GitHub, and maybe even start a blog or contribute to open source projects. This shows potential employers that you're passionate and invested in your craft. And finally, don't be afraid to fail. Seriously, everyone makes mistakes when they're starting out. The key is to embrace those failures as learning opportunities. Experiment, break things, and figure out how to fix them. That's how you truly master the cloud. That's a wrap. We've covered a ton of ground today, from the fundamental steps to the exciting career opportunities that await you in the world of Azure Cloud. Remember, this is just the beginning of your journey. The cloud is constantly evolving, and there's always something new to learn and explore. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends who are also interested in tech, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. And most importantly, good luck on your journey to becoming an Azure Cloud engineer. I'm excited to see what amazing things you'll achieve. Until next time, peace out.